And I've had to forget which button is for unpausing the recording. And so I've left it paused, and I've not unpaused it. And I've had such a good arms race. Alright, good enough. I've had such a good arms race. Like 5 minutes and already 6 legendaries. Like what? I need something elemental already, because I'm heading to the creature. What? Double badass? Because I'm heading to the creature chest room. Alright, open door. Oh, Skags, base. Don't give me Spider-Man's game. Give me a stagecoach. Give me a stagecoach, bitch. Oh no! These fucking guys. Wait, oh, it's a Torg. Yeah. Alright, one more, and there are gonna be like 4 more. Who else hates these guys? Anybody? Alright, Hyperion Sniper, though. Like, why are these guys a thing? Why make a spider ant that just doesn't want to show their crit spot? Alright, let's use this one. Oh, just... Come on, maybe the Dolphin rifle? No, stop, stop. Show me a crit spot. Show me a crit spot, bitch. Or maybe let's kill this guy first, cause he's already injured. Nope. Nope, stop. Nope, okay, you know what? Fuck this. I'm redeeming a vault card weapon. Cause I can't fucking stand this. I'm just gonna use the troubleshooter. Yeah, there we go. We're balling now. I don't give a fuck. Kill Bossa. Pick up everything. Battle sniper? No. Whoa. More stuff. A lot of pistol and a Jacob sniper. Should be fine. Even more stuff. With a Hyperion shotgun. Nice. Alright, hold on, let's swap back to this one, because I'm almost at level 300 for the Fallen Heroes Vault card. And I wanna get this quickly. Maybe by the time I'm gonna upload this video, I'm gonna have level 300 on this. Oh, this is so much better. Oh, because 7 mag. And... okay, it's worked. Wait, what is that? Negara and Torrent. Oh wow, alright, even better. Ooh. Should I? Yeah. Wait, movement speed. Actually, this is good. Alright, let's try the Negara. Triple badass? Alright, though. Oh. That was fast. Alright, let's do the plasma coil now. And the end works. If you end, then you can get legendaries. It's confirmed. I'm gonna do this for every chest now. Even the white ones. I can't always get good gear at the start of an arms race, so I've gotta redeem a vault card weapon. This was fast. Okay, triple heavy, but dope. This is probably the easiest spawn. Wow, he just melts. Wow. Now for the pyrotech. Go for the crit. Nope. Corrosive heavy, enough. Okay. Double heavy. This thing's gonna eat my ammo really quickly. Open door and... Okay, never mind. I take that back what I've said for the torrent chest. Oh gosh. Oh, big boy rocket. Actually, this is huge. No. Well, could you also use the Nagata? Bruh. Okay, so now for the Tizzy. And then for the Boogeyman chest. 10 fire rate on that torrent. Or not torrent, troubleshooter. Is that max fire rate? It seems like it's max fire rate. No, alright, it's already not. It's just got the fire rate stock. And the fire rate shield. Sell that, sell that. I wanna hold this Hyperion sniper as I'm going to the Tizzy chest. Hyperion snipers are just so cool. People really underestimate the NARP. I should make a video about how good the NARP is. People think it's a shit sniper, it's not. People probably use it on Mouse and think it's bad because they use it on Mouse. The worst character for the NARP, with Zane probably being the strongest. It's either Flak or Zane are the strongest with the NARP. Maybe even Amara. Who's following me? Wait, 150-90? No. It seemed like 150-90, but it's not. Wait, what's the... Oh, it's... Wait! It spawned outside the circle? It can do that? Okay, this airdrop's already fucked. This is the one I can only get. Wait, can I one-shot? Bro. Vending machine! Alright. Never mind. And... White Torg. Don't slow me down, bitch. Med Trooper. Also, I finally watched another episode of Breaking Bad a few days ago. Well, actually not a few days ago. At the time of recording this video, it's August 28th. And I've watched it on a Saturday night, which was the 26th, I believe. Yeah, the 26th. Jesse, we need to cook. Whoa! So many legendaries. Alright, I'm still recording. Another Tizzy, trick shot. Double generator. Ah, and then I got still better. Whoa, this one's better as well. And a blaster? I've not used the big boy rocket yet. Better shield, finally. I have not realized that I'm wearing an ancient shield. Oh wait, okay. I get that the troubleshooter is good, but this Hyperion sniper is just... After that one shot on the dog, I wanna use it a bit more. Also, where's the airdrop? Okay, it's ahead. Weird chest! Open. And... What? What? Quasar! What? No. Wait, technically I've just realized that I could basically redeem a fuck ton of vault card items and have like an inventory full of legendaries so that every arms race is gonna be the greatest arms race on the channel. Oh, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna redeem 50 troubleshooters and call it the best arms race run with the most legendaries. Cause I've literally spawned them on demand. What? What now? No way. Oh gosh, it's a hard choice. Oh, I'm gonna need to sacrifice the Hyperion shotgun. Explosions! Where's this guy? Well, so there's another legend, I see it. I'm gonna need to clear everybody. Oh no. Uh-oh. Alright, there we go. Come on. Fire heavy. What's that? RS, alright. So 9 legendaries, wow. Can I please press R on these pistols? Why is there so much shite here? I think a badass. I think from a badass. Okay, I don't see a red chest over there. Skip. Okay, skip. Nope. Oh, there we go. Okay, the mag is on 2. I can swap reload that very quickly. I hear the Mordecane. Holy! Wait. Nagata, bitch! Nagata! Alright. Nagata's so good. And? Okay. If I've said and before opening this chest, I'd have got 2 legendaries or more. No. No! Why? Why, bro? Max damage. I don't need the shite charger, bro. It's literally shite. I don't need it. Then why are you giving me a max damage shite charger in cryo? The game wants me to use it for superior firepower moves. Alright, so I've got the torrent chest, the plasma coil chest, the TZ, the boogeyman. Now I've just got the firefly chest remaining. No red chest there. Oh, red chest here though. I should have said and. Oh, white. And? Nope. No. Right into the fucking wall. Nice. 2 vending machines, wait. Right, so here's the fire badass heavy. Alright, so 1, 2, alright, 2 seconds. It's only taken 2 seconds. That's what Shift said. Wait, badass. Maybe I can... Oh, he's got a Q system. The only time where Q systems are good are in the hands of a badass. Int. Okay, nope. An Atlas launcher. Alright. Open door. Right, like, can I time this? Alright, the first enemy spawned at 1 minute 6 remaining. I wanna see how fast I can complete this. It's a speedrun! Speedrun, boys! It's like Lucky 7 speedruns. What? No way. No way, dude. Bro, it's like 29 seconds! Bro, it was only like 29 seconds! Wait, is that right? So it started at 1 minute 6 remaining. And yeah, only 29 seconds. So dumb. And Devastator. Well, that's devastating. Atom bomb and radio lead. Well, obviously we're gonna take the atom bomb, even though we're not using anything radiation. Except this ice spiker gives me movement speed, so I'm gonna keep the ice spiker. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 legendaries? What? Why is it so good? Can I equip the Devastator? I don't really need anything else, to be honest. Yeah, I'm gonna equip the Devastator. Wait, I need to check the vending machine. I'm gonna do this. I'm too lazy to go up there. Alright. So, 14? Yeah. Maybe I can find another red chest and get even more legendaries, but I doubt it. Oh! Come on. Nothing. Only greens and whites. Oh, Revenants! Maybe I can get even more legendaries. Revenants can give good legendaries, or just... Well, I'm saying... good legendaries, that's a bit too far. In general, just Revenants can give legendaries. Also, what's going on over there? Nagala. Nagala. What? Where is he? Don't disappear. See? Told you guys. Revenants can drop legendaries. Transfusion tracker and another trick shot. What? Oh, it's got the hammer. It's got the good hammer. So it's missing like 4000 base damage. It's got the hammer, which increases the damage by 26%. It's got the crit foregrip, which is good. This can be considered a perfect trick shot for your normal Zane build that doesn't use the clone. Because if you're speccing far down purple tree, which most of Zanes do, then you can get so much out of this grip, because it gives crit damage, and some crit bonuses are multiplicative with each other. So how many legendaries have we got now? 1, 2, 3... 16? Wait, is this the most legendaries we've got on an arms race before? Is that a new PB? Is that a new record? Wait, for how long am I recording? 18 minutes. Come here. I think I'm gonna search for more chests. Wait, I can get and nothing. Maybe there's gonna be something over there, but I doubt it. I doubt it. Oh! And? What? Gunnerang? Not a bangerang. On base. There you go. I'm gonna screenshot this. I just need a legendary shield and a legendary artifact, which isn't gonna happen. 17. Can I get more? I wanna get more. 17 isn't much. Can I get 18? I think I'm gonna get another one from the boss. Yeah, I think this one is gonna be... Oh. Okay, I should have said and. Blues, it was so close to being good. One shot. One shot. I can't see anything. Go up there and maybe there's a white chest or a red chest. Uh-oh. No chest. It was raining, by the way. It was raining outside like 20 minutes ago. It's 8:57 AM as I'm recording this. So I started this at like 8:37. Can I get at least 2 legendaries from the boss? Maybe I can get 3 so I can get 20 legendaries. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Jesus. Alright, only one hot spring. So that's 18 legendaries, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yeah, 18 legendaries. Jeez. That's a lot.